Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day trading today. You can see up top my portfolio, unfortunately, in the red again today, down $291.88, representing 0.92% of my overall portfolio. A little bit extra loss in after hours trading as well, $7.87, 0.03%. The three major indices today were down. Not quite as much as my portfolio, but still all in the red today. S&P 500 down 0.19%. The NASDAQ was down 0.44%. And the Dow 30 was down just over 23 points at 0.12%. You can see my portfolio starting here in early pre-market trading, early morning, really kind of pulled back even further here right before noon, and it really basically maintained those losses. Kind of rebounded back somewhat, but pulled back again, down at one point almost $300. Actually, I think it was a little bit over $300. I can't really get it here, but nevertheless, did pull back quite a bit here, almost 1%. As I scroll through my portfolio, you can see a lot of red scattered throughout my portfolio, so a pretty broad pullback in all market sectors. Of note, my Ford here pulled back 1.82% down to $12.41. Would really love to get a few more shares of this. I think this is going to rebound very, very nicely at the beginning of next year. And as you guys know, that's one of my larger positions is Ford. So that's really what's accounting for my losses compared to the three major indices. But again, a lot of red scattered throughout my portfolio. Looks like telecoms look not too bad today. Energy as well. And some of my closed-end funds on the bottom there were in the green as well. So overall, not a great day today. But again, Ford has been doing very, very well of late. So a little bit of a pullback was not unexpected, as well as some of my healthcare stocks as well. Portola here pulled back another 3%. As you guys know, this was up about 10% or so the other day. You can see that here, jumping up nicely. And this kind of trended back down to baseline. I think this would be a great stock to pick up actually. It was 1220, or it was 1867. Excuse me, not 12. 1867, back to 1860. So cheaper than for what it was before that uptick there. So I essentially did a swing trade the other day, as you guys know. And this is exactly why I love this Portola here. You can buy, at 1860, you sell. I sold off. I didn't quite get to the $21 range. I sold off, I think, 2030 or something like that. But then it's trended all the way back, actually lower than what I had held it for prior. This is the perfect stock to do day and swing trades with. You need a stock that has a little bit of movement and it has a pretty good baseline price. This thing always is popping up and down, up and down. Great stock to get in and out of, make it a nice little day or swing trade. So yeah, no topic in particular with this video. Just wanted to update you guys on my portfolio, give you guys a sense of how my portfolio has been doing. Hopefully you guys have been doing better than I have. But again, Ford trended down a bit. I have a very large position in Ford, so that's not unexpected. And some of my healthcare stocks as well are doing very, very well of recent, pulling back a little bit. Not unexpected. So yeah, just kind of wanted to talk about my portfolio today. Kind of end the video here. I might put out a video a little bit later talking about some cheap stocks that new investors can jump into. A lot of you guys have been asking for cheaper stocks because you guys maybe have limited funds or are new to the markets, don't want to put a lot of money in initially, just kind of want to play around a bit. And I understand that. I did the same thing when I first opened my portfolio. So I'll kind of go through, pick out some of my stocks I have. I have some, I think, pretty good stocks that are cheap as well. So I'll go through those, pick out maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5 of those, kind of give you an idea what new investors with limited funds and or investors who don't want to put a lot of money into the markets right away can invest in and kind of play around with. So kind of with that, I'll end the video here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, learning a ton from you guys. I thank you very much for that. Hopefully you guys are also learning a little bit from my videos. And if there's any good topics to talk about, let me know. Any good pointers, any insights, any good stock plays or strategies, let me know. Always looking for new things to learn about. So Kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.